An improved.
I wasn't gonna put the thing on top for this one because it's just very fun.
Oh no, Meister on the top. Alright.
Just because I didn't want to go to the back.
We got holographic bags with it though.
My best friend, so she's not gonna care.
And this would be a holographic strap, right?
Yes, this is a holographic strap. It glows in the dark, but there's no darkness right now.
Nice, nice. And then we got the holographic bag with some candy. Why?
Little snacks, because it's spooky season.
Alright, so as many of you know, if you've been keeping up, I've been trying to do daily vlogs. And I got an idea. Let me go to my channel. Right now I'm at a, let me see. Let me see if I can focus right there. 659 subscribers. So I'm thinking, what if I were to do, if I can get to 1,000 subscribers, I would like to do a giveaway. I don't know what the giveaway would be, but let's get me to 1,000 subscribers. In the meantime, I'll think of what the giveaway can be. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So on another note, we got these cool, let me go, cool Terzikawas. This is our Instagram page right here. You guys, you know, meister.co.us. It'll be in the bio. Check it out. But these are some Terzikawas. So this one right here is like, I don't know how you would call it, but like when you go to the side, there's a picture, but when you go to the side it's pink, and then it up like when you look at it directly it's blue. It's pretty dope. I'll show you guys right now. There's another cat one, the blue. There's a heart one, and then this is the one that we're making right now. This is the Z logo, but it's a heart Z logo. It's still in the making. We're not really sure how we're gonna get the Z on there, if we want to put it lower, right there, or what, but we're still experimenting with it. But this is dope. Check, DM us if you want a custom one of any of these. We even got the Heartbreak, as you guys have seen. Hit up our DMs. Now we're back in the office. Just finished up another one. I got 2 orders to deliver right now. We're gonna head our way, but before I want to show you guys the 2 Terzikawas that we made. So right here is the one I was talking about earlier, where like you go to the side and you see it's pink, then it's blue, then it's pink, and then it's blue. That looks pretty dope. And then we also have this other prototype one. It's gonna be a cool light up one. We're changing the game. Changing the game. So those are some of the Terzikawas that Jamie made. They're pretty dope. If you want one or you're interested or you want to get like pricing, go ahead and hit up our Instagram, which the link or the username will be down below, which is at meister.co.us. Hit us up on there, send us a DM. We'll send you some pricing on everything, and you get to fully customize it from the strap to the color and the shape. But the shapes are limited as we don't have all the shapes, you know, but we have some here and there. But it's potential that depending on the shape you want, we can make it. But we'll have to like get back to you on all that and whatnot. But anyways, we're on our way to go drop off some of these stuff right now, some of these shirts, some of these orders. So see you when we get there. What's up, beautiful? What's up?
Oh.
Oh no, this isn't for you. This is that's for Jordan.
Okay. Jordan.
Are they here? Yeah. Oh. Here. Open it in front of the camera. Oh.
Oh, geez, sorry. I thought it was ingredients.
Oh, damn, your hands are dirty, man. It's a white shirt.
Yeah.
I don't want to touch it.
Well, I mean, that's it. You just got out of work, so.
Ooh. Let me see.
What's up?
Ah! Wait.
We're here to make the next delivery. Amazon delivery. Oh.
Oh my god. Why weren't you messaging me back?
Because I have my phone in the car.
Oh, hey, you know what?
What?
Yeah, I got my message on. Anyways, guys, welcome to my crib.
Oh my god.
Jeez. What was he gonna say? Jackie, get out. What was he gonna say? I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Oh, he's gonna grow out a man bun too. I already cut his hair, but he's just, you know, on the growing stage. Yeah.
Mommy, we could do it. Scary zone. Oh my god, I hated this one. Jordan.
Taking a detour, came to Spirit Halloween.
This is gonna be bad.
We got the.
Oh my god. It's scary, but.
Your mask is upside down. Press it. No, press it hard. Come on.
Just press it. And move.
You gotta. Mechanic.
That's what he wears. Yeah, but that's what he's wearing, like a mechanic.
But he hasn't.
That's what I'm just seeing his face for.
Just kidding. Soon. Alright guys, it's already late at night. We're heading home. Getting gassed up before we head out. But anyways, it's taking forever to pump turn on because Jamie's in there flirting with the guy. There you go. What took you so long? Having a full conversation with the guy.
So you're trying to like incorporate like the vlog of a week or like a couple days?
No, this is all. What do you mean? This is the whole day. This is
Okay, so we're just doing 1 day vlogs. Is what I'm asking.
vlogs, yeah. All right, like I said, we're heading home now.
Took some detours, saw some people, fucked some shit up. You know, the usual.
Why is it not focusing? What the fuck? My face is right here. I'm right here. All right, but anyways, we're heading home. Basically, like, I'm basically, yeah, I mean, we'll be. Thank you guys for watching. What's that? That's a blanket.
Or a blanket? Oh, it's a little Mexican blanket. Yeah, I have one of those in my truck.
Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like what you saw. If you didn't, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I'm sorry. Also another thing, go ahead and check out our shop. Links down below. Our Instagram as well. I'm driving a little bit. Our Instagram's down below. Our light's not even on. Oh jeez.
Those people are like, hey.
Damn, it's weird.
Those are out.
Yeah, like I said, hit up our Instagram if you want to get a Terzakawa custom made. Also, hit up our shop for some clothing merch, I guess you can call it. Another thing, I have links to all the products that I use down below, as well as stuff that I have used in the past videos. In the Amazon, there are Amazon links down there to purchase if you would like to purchase something. If anything that you've seen that's interested, it makes it easier and faster for you to get, instead of having to go and search up. Or you can even comment and I'll post a link of whatever it is that you saw that you like. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. You want to say bye?